Okay, hi, welcome back, and we're continuing the series by talking about color harmony. And we're going to focus on 3 types of color harmonies in this video. Now, if you haven't seen the first part of this series, I've linked it down below. You need to go check that out before you watch this, because I'm going to be using some of the terms in this video. So watch that first so you don't get confused and then come back. Okay, let's learn about harmony. Now, to give an overview of what harmony is, I mentioned in our video, it's a combination of colors that allows the eye to move smoothly throughout the entire outfit, since we're talking about clothes, entire outfit, without creating a sharp contrast that catches the eye. Alright, so the 3 color combinations we're going to be focusing on today are 1. Complementary colors, 2. Triadic colors, and 3. Analogous colors. Okay. I said a big word. Hold on. So let's talk about the first one, complementary colors. Now, this is the color wheel, right? This is the color wheel. We've all seen it before. There are different variations of the color wheel that includes more or less of the tones, shades, tints of every color. Now, for complementary colors, that deals with any color that is opposite another on the color wheel. There's a straight line going down like that, right? Now, the typical one that are always used are red and green. Red and green are across from each other, with Christmas colors, and because they're a sharp contrast, they can make the image or outfit that you're wearing pop. Now, don't overuse them. Like in Christmas, everywhere you see is red and green. Don't overuse it. It can get tiresome, but colors across from each other on the color wheel anywhere, those are called complementary colors. And those colors always go together. Always. So you have, as I said, red and green. You have purple and yellow. You have blue and orange. All of these colors. And I have actually worn clothes like that. Exhibit A. So this is me utilizing the color wheel in my everyday outfits, which is a big reason as to how I know what colors go together. Now let's move on to triadic colors. The triad, not this triad. We're not talking about a movie. The triad. A little triangle. Okay? Now these are 3 colors. These 3 colors. Before I even say it, bear in mind this is an equilateral triangle, which means all sides are equal, which ties into what I'm saying. These 3 colors are equal distance from each other on the color wheel. Equal distance, which is why you have blue, red, and yellow. These are evenly distanced. As you can see, there are 3 colors in between all of those. On this color wheel, I mean. Right? Then you have purple, orange, and green. Those are also evenly spaced around the color wheel, as you can see. Right? And then you have use of tertiary colors, which I explained in the previous video that you should have watched. Like yellow, orange, blue, green, and red, purple. Those are also evenly spaced around the color wheel. So you see where the triangle comes in handy. Now these colors all go together. You see them in logos. Not only in outfits, you also see them used in different businesses. So Burger King actually has used triadic colors in their logo. It's red, blue, and yellow. Like a goldish yellow. And those, as I said, are evenly spaced around the color wheel, which makes it more appealing to look at. See? So this is the logo. And you can also have it in outfits. Okay? So these rules apply literally everywhere. Because once you want to make something visually appealing, there can't be too sharp of a contrast. They have to blend together. Now how about we focus on analogous? This is not a word you see every day. I know. But bear with me, it's not that hard. It's probably simpler than the triadic colors. Now, analogous colors are the colors that sit beside each other on the color wheel. Now, before I even continue, Analogous it goes from 2 to 5 colors that are on the color wheel. The outfit that you're trying to create or the logo that you're trying to create can involve the 5 colors, 2 to 5 colors. But for outfits, it's typically recommended to just stay within the 2 to 3 because it's easier. Not many people can master the 2 to 5 because there's a lot of colors and you have to know how to place all of them, and that's a whole other thing. So it's 2 to 5 colors that are beside each other on the color wheel. We typically use 2 to 3 in outfits, okay? And I have done that in a video. I think it was the spring outfits video or the back to school video. So yes, the analogous colors are the ones that go beside each other. Let me give you some examples. Red, orange, and orange. You see what I'm saying? They blend together. They would blend together in an outfit really well. Purple, red, blend together really well. No. The example of 5 analogous colors would be blue-green, blue-purple, purple, and red-purple. Those are that would be a type of analogous combination, color combination. So these 5 hues all go together. But how about I say blue, purple, red, purple, and red? These all go together. I doubt you have seen anyone in an outfit that has all 5. You may see someone in an outfit that has 3, probably 4, but not all 5. It's not typically recommended. Yeah? So these are types of analogous colors. Now there are 3 more types of colors I would want to go through. If you like this video, thumbs up down below. And also let me know the color combinations you have thought of based on what I said in this video. And if you want more information on color combinations, check this video out.